Hi Fina. All right, here's the MLS app, right? And this is the SMS. But I just sent a text right now, and there's no SMS history here. Um, and if we go to the video I sent you right here on Fiverr, um, right, that you were able to take a look at, and we go to the link, right? We see that when you send a text, right? When you send a text, um, it creates a history, right? And in the history you see who you see if they sent you a whatever text you send goes out and whatever text comes in, you get So I was saying whatever text goes out and whatever text comes in, you're able to see the history of the text. And here we don't have it. I just send it and it will disappear. I don't see a history of text messages here going on. So could you make that happen? Whatever showing the video. Thanks.